How to enable Instagram story comments. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon and type Instagram. Now click on search at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Instagram and make sure to update to the latest version. If any update is available, simply tap on update. Now after updating go back to the home screen. Now open up Instagram on a device. Now tap on the plus icon. Now select your photo or video. Now tap on your story. Now open up your story. Now wait for some time. Now once your upload is complete, then open up your story again. Now tap on three dots. Now tap on go to story settings. Now scroll down and tap on commenting. Now click on allow comments. Now change the toggle from off to everyone. If you want to select people you follow, simply tap on it and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.